Hello, I'm in a 2014 Chevy Traverse, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first step is you want to make sure the vehicle is turned on. Usually just takes a few moments, and then hopefully you have some interface that looks similar to this, because this is a U-Link connection. So from here we're going to go to home with your touchscreen, and then phone. Which is not highlighted. Your Bluetooth also here is not highlighted, which could be an indication that you don't have Bluetooth. Well, we'll check through the voice commands to
say a command or say help.
Connect phone.
Follow the instructions on the screen to pair a new Bluetooth device.
So no directions loaded at all. Okay, here we go. So with your phone on, you want to make sure you got your blue highlighted. That means your Bluetooth's on your phone. And then from your Bluetooth menu, which you can usually get by holding the blue, from this screen it's in scan mode already where it says stop, but we're looking for the Chevy Traverse. And then you want to match up these pins, which it looks the same to me, so pair on here, and then yes from your vehicle. So it's now successfully connected, and now it's highlighted, so you can go in and change options for that and whatnot. But you should be able to take phone calls now, listen to your music, whatnot from your phone in the vehicle. And then if for some reason you have a little you don't have like the touch screen here and your center console looks a little different, there's a high chance you just don't have Bluetooth equipped in your vehicle, which in that case, yeah, obviously play with the commands. If you can find something like I just did with this talking head, that would be a good way to check if you've got phone connection capabilities, which a lot of times you'll see those like on your steering wheel as you look around. So yeah, somewhere to check around your steering wheel to find this little talking head guy. Obviously I found it here on this particular. Typically you'll be able to just click on a phone icon to add phones or delete phones or whatever. Sometimes when you click through like source buttons, you can find more options. Depending on yours, again, if it doesn't look like this for your Traverse, there might be like a menu button somewhere you can hit to also see if there's phone options or Bluetooth options. But there's a good chance too you might just need to install some sort of aftermarket device, which will look kind of similar to this, like kind of a rectangle shape. They're getting more affordable, but if you did do that, then you'd have your Apple Play, Android Audio, Bluetooth, navigation, all those sorts of things. If you chose a model of aftermarket device that has that. Also, you could do like backup cameras and stuff, which is cool. But otherwise, yeah, I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.